Hey, Finian, what's it like being a fish?
What kind of question is that? I've never been anything else, so how can I compare it? What's it like being the slowest creature on Earth?
I'll have you know, I outran a snail just the other day.
Why did you two not ask me what it was like being a superhero? Hello, friends. Ready for Devotion 41? No? Too bad. As Hannah and Elkanah left little Samuel there in Shiloh and returned home, the scene began to shift away from them and back to the family of Eli. When that happened, an incredible juxtaposition is presented to us. 1 Samuel 2:11. And Elkanah went to Ramah to his house, and the child did minister unto the Lord before Eli the priest. Now the sons of Eli were sons of Belial. They knew not the Lord. Here we have two families on display. Family number one is just an average family who lives somewhere other than the tabernacle. Family number two is the family of the high priest, who lives in and around the tabernacle every day of their lives. And yet, the child of the first family was genuine, ministering to the Lord before Eli, the priest, while the two sons of Eli, the priest, were lost and wicked young men. This ought to tell us that, as important as it is to be faithfully in the house of God, it is every bit as important, and even more so, that parents be godly and consistent in the home. We have already seen the godliness and consistency of Hannah and Elkanah. As the following chapters unfold, we will see the ungodliness and inconsistency of Eli. Their children are a predictable result of life in the home. Do look at your home life and behavior, parents. If you are godly and consistent in the home, you will likely produce godly and consistent children. But if you are hypocrites, acting one way at the church and then living another way at home, you will most likely produce reprobates.
Wonderful lesson, Ruff. God's word is a light unto our path.
Agreed, Baloo. So, Ruff, what is it like being a superhero?
Oh, shucks. I was just kidding. But I think the author of this book might be a superhero. You should ask him. Have a blessed day, folks.